Today, we are making Korean spice braised chicken. Traditionally, this dish is made with a whole chicken cut into pieces, but today, we are keeping it simple so anyone around the world can follow along. We are using bone-in chicken drumsticks instead. Let's get started. First, make a few shallow cuts in the chicken drumsticks, so the sauce can soak in better. About 3 to 4 cuts on each side is perfect. Then, to season the chicken, sprinkle salt over the prepared drumsticks and rub it in there. Let them sit for about 15 minutes. Next, thinly slice the green onion. It will add a deeper flavor to the sauce. Now, it's the onion's turn. Just cut it into bite-sized pieces. Cut the carrot into bite-sized pieces as well. And if you love a beef, sweet bite of carrot, go ahead and slice them nice and chunky. Cut the potato to whatever size you like, just like the carrot. See, so easy. First, prepare 100 ml of water. Then add the Korean chili paste, minced garlic, sugar, and soy sauce. Mix everything together well. And that's it, sauce done. Now, cut the marinated chicken drumsticks dry with a paper towel. Make sure to wipe off any moisture or excess broth. If you skip this step, the chicken can develop an unpleasant smell while cooking. So don't skip it, pat it dry thoroughly. And just like that, we are ready to cook. First, heat up a pot. Once it's hot, lower the heat to medium. Add some cooking oil. Then add the green onion and cook it in the oil to bring out the flavor. Next, add the Korean chili flakes and let them cook gently in the oil to release their color and spice. Never use high heat when cooking the chili flakes. They burn very quickly. Once the chili flakes have cooked enough, pour in 500 ml of water. Turn the heat up to high so it comes to a boil faster. Then add all the sauce. Once the water starts to boil, add in all the chicken drumsticks. Then add the potato and carrot, give everything a good mix, and let it cook for 20 minutes. After adding all the ingredients, make sure to lower the heat to low. If you cook it on high heat, the sauce won't soak in the chicken properly, and the sauce can become too salty. After 20 minutes, add the onion. If you add it too early, it will lose its texture. Add some black pepper as well. Give it a good stir. Then let it cook for another 10 minutes. All done. Pretty easy, right? Enjoy it with a cold beer. It's absolutely amazing.
Wow, I need a drink. Cheers. I could eat this all day.